Our third episode is going to be about self expression and expression. It seems to me that self expression has been lauded and praised as this holy method to musical self actualization, but I've honestly seen quite the contrary. Those who are obsessed with mere expressions of themselves create really incoherent, unintelligible works. But there are those who self express but create brilliant works of art, so what gives? One could make the argument that most of the time, the subjects that one finds self expressible is usually universally relatable. But the times that it isn't relatable, you can get something quite dubious. So one's interest or experience could be many others' interest or experience, that's relatability in a nutshell. But that's where I find self expression is a foolish gamble, and dwelling only within it is faulty. Expression, on the other hand, is the ability to look at a subject from many different angles and perspectives, not just your own. Are you able to express ideas, thoughts, emotions, and perspectives that are not just your own? I believe a true artist's vision doesn't just encompass their own beliefs and opinions. Call it empathy or imagination. It's a part of the beauty that human beings have things that we can share, and artists can create beautiful representations of that. People like different things, but people's reasons for liking things are more similar than the thing itself. Self expression is important and it's a part of expression, but to dwell selfishly in it and only in it is just narcissistic, which I find quite ugly. To return to the quote, you can be selfish with your art, but your art shouldn't be selfish. Too much self expression makes it illegible, and too much universality could make it all about pandering, soulless, devoid of integrity, and just business. Of course, I'm not saying your art should appeal to every single person on earth. It should pertain to values that are important to you or you find interesting, and naturally many others could too. Now, how to do that is another topic in and of itself, and we will be touching on that in upcoming episodes.